Hi everyone, today we are going to explain dialect and we will also explain that how it is different from a language. But before I start this lecture, if you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe the channel. Well, what is dialect? Basically, a dialect is nothing but it is a variety of a language that is specific to a particular geographic region or social group. I think you are not getting the point. Let me tell you in simple words that dialect refers to a variation of a language. Just take the example of English language, right? Within English language, there are dialects. Though people in England will speak English language, but some people will have different pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar. So this is called dialect. Though the people of England will speak English language, right? Almost all of them are speaking English language, but all of them do not speak in the same manner because they will have different pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar. So when there are variations in it, so it is considered to be what? Dialects of English language. The question is how a dialect is different from a language. Let me tell you the characteristics of a dialect so then you will understand it. The first one is pronunciation. Basically, this is one of the distinctive characteristics or features of a dialect that the pronunciation among the same speaker of language will be different. For example, in England, almost all people speak English, but all do not speak in the same way. So this is one of the characteristics of a dialect. Simply you can say that all of them do not pronounce the words in the same manner. So pronunciation is also one of the characteristics. And the next one is vocabulary. As you have understood that these people will pronounce words differently than others, but they will not just be different in pronunciations but also in vocabulary. They will use different vocabulary, so this is also one of the characteristics of a dialect. Though they will be speaking in one language, but within one language they will use different words for different things, right? And that will be different from the standard language. And the next one is intonation. The people who are supposed to be speaking a variety of language will also have a unique pattern of intonation, such as the way questions are asked or statements are made. Simply, you can say their intonation will also be different. And the next one is grammar. It is another distinctive characteristics of a dialect that those who speak dialect of the same language will also have different construction of sentences. So these are the different characteristics of a dialect. If you have enjoyed the lecture, please do not forget like and subscription to the channel. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.